this video, we are discuss intellectual property due diligence in mergers and acquisitions. In today's digital world, and especially as businesses move towards building large brands, companies are building and accumulating significant intellectual property portfolios. Whether it be trademark in branding assets, copyright to website pages, patent to artificial intelligence processing, applications and modules, or trade secrets to a highly valuable receipt or a client list. As business combine, divided and engage in mergers and acquisition activities, many businesses are finding that their value may be partly grounded in their intellectual property, and that evaluating their intellectual property assets make up a core portion of the diligence behind such a transaction. A major part of intellectual property due diligence today also include issues relating to technology, information technology due diligence. The goal of any intellectual property due diligence in a potential transaction will include determining what intellectual property, if any, the target holds and its value. It will also include understanding the target company's policy and practices regarding documents, retentions, its various intellectual property registration across jurisdiction, past, ongoing or anticipated disputes, intellectual property enforcement. Intellectual property protection measures and the location of any intellectual property owned or licensed by the target company, as well as the local practices and IP compliance environment. In cross-border border deals or deals that involve target companies with foreign subsidiaries or affiliated, where the buyer's company is looking at intellectual property assets abroad, the goal of such intellectual property due diligence will also be to understand the relevant jurisdiction intellectual property laws. For example, in Canada there is no work for hire concepts and more rights intellectual property not only exist but stay with the inventors or creator. And in India, for example, intellectual property in software is handled only by copyright and cannot be patented. Assign the quality, the integrity of the intellectual property assets help the acquirer, whether domestic or abroad, not just determine the risk associated with them, but also their value and therefore the overall value of the business. For example, the integrity of the chain of development, acquisition and transfer of intellectual property from the creator to the eventual beneficial owners often surface as the biggest risks in transaction involving companies based in India. Thank you.